It takes precision, speed, and an uncompromising standard of hygiene to process nature's bounty.
Witness the journey from the muddy depths to the pristine, vibrant delicacy favored by chefs worldwide.
This is the high-speed, high-stakes reality inside the Black Tiger Shrimp Factory.
The journey begins at dawn in these vast, carefully monitored aquaculture ponds.
Harvesting is a race against time to preserve freshness. The nets are hauled up, heavy with the season's prime catch.
Immediate thermal shock is crucial. Plunging the catch into icy slurry locks in the texture and halts biological degradation.
Upon arrival, the shrimp enter a strictly controlled environment. The chaotic harvest meets industrial precision.
The first step is separation. The catch must be purged of any debris carried over from the farm.
High-pressure jets strip away silt and mud, ensuring only the pristine shell remains. A gentle tumbling process removes loose appendages and separates the shrimp for individual inspection.
Cleaned, chilled, and approved. The shrimp are now ready for the most labor-intensive stage of the process, precision butchery.
Next comes the peeling. For the Black Tiger variety, the shell is thick and rigid, requiring significant force.
Experienced peelers can process thousands of shrimp per hour, keeping the decorative tail fin intact for premium presentation.
To classify as premium grade, the shrimp must be deveined. A surgical incision runs the length of the back.
Removal of the digestive tract is non-negotiable. It eliminates grit and ensures a purely sweet flavor profile.
Specialty cuts, like the butterfly, increase the surface area for cooking and improve the visual appeal on the plate.
For shell-on varieties, the process is even more delicate. Needle deveining preserves the outer armor while cleaning the interior.
Nothing goes to waste. The heads and shells are diverted to be processed into rich stocks, animal feed, or chitin derivatives.
A brief soak in a saline solution enhances moisture retention, ensuring the shrimp remain juicy during high-heat cooking.
The raw processing is complete. Now, these gray jewels are ready for the transformation that will give them their signature color.
The transformation begins here. The raw shrimp enter the steam tunnel, where precise temperature control is critical to texture.
Heat denatures the proteins instantly. The astaxanthin pigments are released, revealing the signature fiery orange bands of the Black Tiger.
The result is a product that can travel across oceans while maintaining the freshness of the day it was caught.
Presentation is key for the luxury market. Every shrimp is aligned to showcase its size and color.
While some are frozen fresh, others undergo a dehydration process, concentrating the umami flavor into a potent ingredient.
A perfect IQF process means no clumping. Each piece flows freely, sounding like glass when poured.
Color is a primary indicator of flavor. Only those with the deep, vibrant pigment of the Black Tiger variety pass the visual audit.
Weight is guaranteed. The factory overpacks slightly to ensure that even after thawing, the customer receives the full promised weight. Sorted, graded, and verified. The chaotic harvest has been organized into uniform classes, ready for the final seal.
The final stage is a race of automation. High-speed baggers weigh and seal the product in a fraction of a second. The oxygen is removed to arrest decomposition. Vacuum sealing guarantees that the ocean-fresh taste survives the long journey ahead.
Oxygen is removed to arrest decomposition. Vacuum sealing guarantees that the ocean-fresh taste survives the long journey ahead.
Detail bags are consolidated into master cartons. This is the unit of trade that will be shipped to distributors around the globe.
The cold chain remains unbroken. These containers are essentially mobile freezers, maintaining Arctic temperatures until they reach the destination. From the muddy ponds of the harvest to the high-tech processing floor, the journey of the Black Tiger shrimp is a marvel of modern logistics.
The result? A pristine, world-class delicacy, delivered from the depths of the farm to the center of the plate.